Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing a Mediawiki setup right on our local user setting. Okay, let's start from here. Like as you can see, uh, I have created a documentation so that you can easily install it and you can run it on your device. Like first things what we have to do, that is install Wikimedia first. I have done some setting here. Let me show you. Mediawiki. You can just go to this website mediawiki.org. Click there. There's a download install. Just you can read this and set up and run Wikimedia Wiki. So for now, just right click here and just run it. Now there's a Mediawiki installation like zip file. Just install it here. Right now you can keep anywhere. So it is downloading. All right. Okay, so as we can see, it is downloaded. Now just extract it. Okay, extract here, extract files. Okay, I have successfully it is extracting. Okay, so it has successfully extracted. Now let's check. Yeah, there we have. Just do one thing. Uh, First of all, go with the documents. Okay, with the documents that I have created here. Media installation. So we have installed it. Install XAMPP zip file. Okay, so you can simply write here XAMPP XAMPP files, and you can click the first one. Just download latest version. Try to download latest version. XAMPP Windows. And then there's lots of version. You can install the latest one. Okay, simple. Just click here. You will be redirected to another page. Okay, so it is downloading. So we can discuss something. So why we are installing XAMPP? Because like XAMPP is a software package that contains Apache, MySQL, PHP. So using Apache, it serves the web pages, and MySQL it manages all the database. Where we are like furthermore, we'll be creating a wiki user database. So we'll be using that database where all the wiki content will be stored, and it also contains PHP. So PHP just it handles server side like scripts to run Wikimedia, like where we'll be running our script and all those things. So we'll be seeing all those things furthermore. Okay, just let it download first. It's downloading. Okay, still it's downloading. So we can do one thing. Just rename this folder name like MediaWiki. Just Control X. What you can do here? Rename it. Simply write here wiki. Okay, wiki. Then what we can do? Just let it be. Let's say okay. Okay, actually my network is not working well right now. Let's see. Let's keep it. Windows hours. Okay, now we have got here. Actually, my network was not working well. Now I have fixed it. So you can see here. Just right click here and just install it. Download latest version. Simple. So there's a lots of files. I prefer to install zip file. Okay, so XAMPP Windows x64 8.2. Yes, just install it. It would be good. Okay, you can install it. This one zip file. Yeah. So it will take some time. Just stay here. Okay, so we have installed jam. Okay, just extract files. Yeah. So as you can see, we have extracted XAMPP. Okay, so it's extracting as okay. Just a minute. Now just go on data command set. So we have installed XAMPP. We have installed Wikimedia. We have renamed the Wikimedia file also as a wiki. Now what we have to go download Wikimedia vector skin. So like we need to add some vector skin in wiki folder. Okay, that I'll show you later on. So just do it first. Okay, it's extracting. Just a minute. Yeah, all right. So we have extracted as well. Now we have to install Microsoft Visual C++. Why we have to download this one? Like it is a redistributors that provides libraries that, as you can see here, it allows PSP and other programs to execute. So we'll be also using Composer to avoid some dependency error. Okay. Now let me show you. First you can see, yeah, our XAMPP has been installed here. So we can do one thing, just move this folder to our program files. Okay, like it is in download, so just do it. Double click here, yeah, this one, Control X, just move it to our program files. See program files. You can see here program files. Here we can keep it. Okay. Access denied. Okay. It's access denied. Then no problem. Just we can do one thing. This is jump is there not? No. Wait. Simple. Just go on downloads. Folder. Yeah. Here it is. Okay. Control X. You can keep it in C, normal C, local C. Simple, you can also keep it here. Okay. Here we have permission. Yep. So we have also successfully moved the file, moved the folder. Now what we have to do? Just open XAMPP and then just find htdocs. Yeah, htdocs folder here, and we have to shift or move our wiki folder here. We have to keep our wiki folder here. So for doing this, we can do one thing. Just go on download section. Okay, there here we have wiki folder. Okay, in Mediawiki. Okay, I have successfully renamed it. Then just Control X, use Control X, and then move it to C program files, or in C like in XAMPP, and then htdocs. Okay, here we have wiki as well in XAMPP. Yeah, htdocs. Just paste it here. Okay, now it's fine. It will take some time. So what we can do next? Just moving to the set. Apache, MySQL, PHP, all done. Download Mediawiki. Yeah, now we have to download Mediawiki Vector Skin. I have also added links here. I will share with you. Okay, now download Mediawiki Vector Skin. So you can simply click, go here and just write Mediawiki Vector Skin. You can search here, and the first website. Click there. Yeah, you can simply download from here. It is a vector skin. You can read this documentation. Mediawiki skin that supports all those things. You can see here. Here we have download. Okay, download skin. Just click here, and then 1.42 latest Mediawiki. Okay, alright, it's good. Continue. Okay, vector skin like okay, alright, it's downloading. Yeah, it is also zip file. Just simple download it and extract it also. Extract files. Here we have vector skin. Okay, we can also move it to our wiki folder. Wiki in vector skin folder in vector. Okay, I'm showing you all. Just a minute. Yeah, go on our C program files. No, htdocs. Here we have wiki folder. We'll see some skins. Skins is there. Simple. Replace it here with the previous one vector. Okay, yeah, it's removed. Yeah, replace the files so that our previous one vector folder previous one vector folders can be updated. Okay, yeah, it has replaced successfully. Now what we can do, just go on the slides. Yeah, we need to download Microsoft Visual C++. Okay, Microsoft Visual C++. We can also download it using Microsoft Visual C++. Just a minute. Alright, you can search also here. Okay, Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Okay, I also got this from Microsoft Visual C++. Let me add there. Okay. C++. We can download it from here. Yeah, download Visual C++. We can rename the whole file one. Yeah, rename it. Now it has also downloaded. Just install it. I agree. Install. Setup file. Okay. Just a minute. Another version in this product is already installed. This is the version 1920. Okay, we have already installed. That's why setup failed. No problem. Okay. Just we can delete it. It's completely fine. Now what we can do, move on it. Yeah, we have done with this one, Mediawiki installation. Okay, source and Mediawiki vector skin, Microsoft Visual C++. Now we have to install Composer. Download Composer. We need to install this one, Composer. So the Composer is, as you can see here, is we need to download it for removing the dependency error. So it manages all the dependencies, and also Composer needs PHP to run. So we have to download it. And I have also added link here. You can also search Composer, but I have added link here. Showing you all. Yeah, we have downloaded. Just install it also. Okay, install for all users. Developer mode, no need to do this. Yeah, this is most important thing. XAMPP, we have to add the path, add PHP to our path. So see XAMPP PHP php.exe. Now just go on next. Okay, use as a proxy server to connect internet and to proxy URL. Just don't need to do anything. Simple install. Okay, finished. Now just go on the documentation section. We have downloaded Composer. Now we need to remove all the dependency errors. So just navigate to XAMPP folder and go to setup XAMPP.bat file. So for this you can navigate to XAMPP folder, Mediawiki, this PC, see XAMPP folder is there, and then bat setup XAMPP.bat file. Just open it. Okay, here configure XAMPP file. I think so. Updating configuration files. Just wait for a while. Have fun with Apache XAMPP. Yeah, Apache has successfully imported. Okay, press any key to continue. Simple, just press it. Okay, now what we have to do, just go on our documentation section. Open in CMD, install Composer, choose the PHP. If we have done with this, navigate to wiki and use shift right click and okay, navigate to wiki and use shift right click. Just so you can do one thing. Here we have wiki. Okay, shift right click here and just open PowerShell windows here. Okay, so all right. So here we have Composer, all those things are here. So we need to remove all the dependency error. Okay, and ignore all the dependencies. So what we can do, just simple run this command, Composer I ignore. Okay, I have copied it. Simple run this command. It will remove all the dependencies. Error. Okay. Root package Mediawiki core version defaulting see that Composer also. Your Composer updating dependencies latest history. Yeah, it is doing okay. Okay, so we can go to the next step, that is why we are using this command. Just let's have a brief info about this. This command install the necessary dependencies. Okay, dependencies for Mediawiki like PHP libraries. So it will also prevent dependency related errors that I have already discussed. Okay, now navigate to PHP ini file, open it and just uncomment it. Yeah, this is the most important thing. There is a Intel, okay, Intel document, Intel section, Intel statement like that is Intel extension. So we need to uncomment it. Why we need to uncomment it? Like because it is Intel is like is internationalization functions. Okay, so what it does, like it you can say it supports all the languages, like you can see here such as language locate based formatting of numbers, states and text. So MediaWiki heavily uses for this language support, ensuring all the wiki can handle multiple languages and formats. That's why we need to uncomment it. Like it, you can see it will be commented. Okay, so you have to uncomment it. Simple. How you can do it? I'm showing you. Let's see whether it has done or not. Yeah, it's doing. Let it complete first. Still, we can go to the navigate to PHP and PHP any folder. Just go on read wiki. And here we can see in XAMPP folder. We can see we have PHP. PHP. Just go on php.ini file. php.ini file here. Just click here. Okay, here you will see. Just you can search there. Control F and Intel INTL. Yeah, here we have it is it has commented, so we need to uncomment it so that it can initialize the internationalization function. Okay, now just save this and save this. Okay, save. Alright, it has done. Just close this window and then okay, we are done with this. Now navigate to MySQL directory and then bin, and so that we can create database. Navigate to MySQL, where MySQL and bin folder. Okay, shift right click and open my where it is. Open with alright, just getting PowerShell option here. There is no any option of terminal. Let me show you. Open with alright. It's simple. What we have to do, MySQL directories and then bin. Okay, you can also go like from here, Windows and yeah, here we can go to CD MySQL, my CD. Let me show you. Navigate to MySQL directories and then bin. Simple CD MySQL and then bin directories. Just click here. Now we are in bin directories, as you can see, and here we can create our database. So navigate to MySQL. We are done with this, and now open XAMPP control exe and start Apache. Okay, now like we have successfully set up all those things like Composer, Microsoft Visual C++, Victor Skin. We have added everything here. Now what we have to do, like we need to create a database. So for creating database, what we can do, simple, just go there. You can run the following commands that I have sent here. Like first just open or run Apache, it's like start Apache and MySQL. So for doing this, just open XAMPP. There's a XAMPP control exe file. Just open it. Right click, run as an administrator. Yes, and then simple. You can click anyone. Save. Yeah. Here we have to start all those things like Apache. I'm starting Apache. Yeah. Just give all the access. Okay. Now also start MySQL. Alright, allow access. Yeah, so MySQL and Apache has successfully started. Just click on admin. Okay, because here we will be creating our database with the name Wiki database. It will take some time. Just let me close all this tab. Okay, Mediawiki screens. These all the things we have already installed. XAMPP. We can only need to also close it. Screen vector installation. Mediawiki C++. Yeah. So here we have, okay, just go on database, or you can also create database using that command line. Okay, let me show you. Simple, like here. Okay, like MySQL view root, you can copy this command. Yeah, welcome to MariaDB monitor. That was successfully we have like on the root folder. Now what we can do, just create your database here. Create database with the name WikiDB. Okay, create database with the name WikiDB. Okay, so query affected, one row affected. We have successfully created our database. Now just grant all the permissions so that it won't like give any error. Now we have granted. Okay, we have given the permission. Then plus privilege. I'll show you like where our database is like is created. Now just exit so that we can say bye on our screen. Yeah. So we have successfully created database. Just simple. Just exit this. Okay, we are done with this. Now let me show you. As you can see here in XAMPP. Okay. In database, you will see there is a name wiki database. We have successfully created the database here. Okay. So you can also we can also write here all those commands that I have run in that terminal. Okay, in that terminal. So you can also run this here. Then query will be seeing everything. Okay. Now we have successfully created database. Now what we have to do? Just go on the next step. That is, now open new tab and search localhost wikis. Okay, so we have successfully set up. What we can do, just go there, localhost, okay, localhost/wiki. Okay, now you can see we have successfully installed Mediawiki. Okay, so local setting php not found. We set up. Yeah, we need to set up the wiki database. Okay, then what we can do here, just write our own username and password, and then let me show you. It is taking some time. Yeah, so here you can do one thing, like you can set your English. Okay, or on English, yeah, in English. So there English. Continue. So PHP is installed, everything is done. Okay, the environment has been checked. So just click on continue. Now local host, database host, everything is keep it default. Database username. Okay, I have written in this folder. You can see here database name wikidb. You can write anything. Okay, it's not mandatory here. You can write anything, like instead of using my wiki, you can write wikidb for clarity, and then the username you can write wiki user. Okay, password you can set like suppose I am setting the password 12345. You can keep anything. Continue. Using password word check post username password trying MariaDB SQL. Alright, connect to database. Cannot access the database real connect so access made for the user wiki user local host using the password here. So you can do one thing which will there. No need to keep password here. We just remove the password. Simple wiki user, wiki database, connect over SSL. Keep it, and then continue. Wait a minute. Okay, MariaDB we installed it. Transport Postgres. MariaDB is working with this. MariaDB MySQL are compatible. Localhost database host localhost. Okay, it's perfect. WikiDB installation wiki user. So I'm keeping the password 12345. 45. Continue. Okay, now localhost WikiDB. Cannot access the database real connect. So is the MySQL server has gone away. Okay, let's see. The MySQL server is there. We are getting error. Okay. Let's restart it. Okay, Mediawiki is a free open source environment check. Basic checks will perform since the environment is suitable for Media construction. Remember to PHP 8.2 installed. ACS 10.1 installed supports. Okay. Object catching is not enabled. Okay, warning. You can ignore this. If any of your component utility not found, ignore this file. Not find any library. Found the bit version control software. C program files git cmd bit.exe. The git version control software. Using server name http/localhost. Okay. Let's use this server name. Using server URL https. Comment has been checked. You can install Mediawiki. This wiki Mediawiki copyright and license. Database. You need to see the database system you are trying to restrict restrictions into the database. Localhost database host local host. Just a minute. Mediawiki supports the following database connected. There is a problem with the database. Okay. Admin tables not found. Localhost here. Okay, so now we have successfully set up here database account for web access. Use the same account instruction, just go and continue. Okay, yeah. Now what you can do, name of the wiki. We can simply write here our own username. For example, I'm just writing my username Aditya0545 and username. Here we can also write Aditya0545. Okay. For password, you can write. I'm just writing 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. 7 8. Let me go with this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Email address you can add or you can skip it. Okay. Ask me more question. Okay, it's fine. Subscribe to this release and I just keep it. Installation with wiki developers. No need to do this. Just you can take it. Continue. Ask me more questions. I'm bored already. Just install the wiki already. Okay, there's some like we can't keep our password simple, so I'm just keeping my own password. Okay, by pressing continue, like we have installed it. Okay, then continue will be installed Mediawiki. If you are using Mix your change, continue. Now we'll be getting local setting PHP. Okay. It's taking time. Yeah. So we have successfully installed Mediawiki. Okay, all those things have done. Database was successfully set up. Just click on continue. Now we can see we have got the local setting.php file. Then simple download it, or let me show. You can just go with the documentation. Okay, now fill user and password, file it and save it in wiki folder, then enter your wiki. Alright, so we have got the local setting.php file, save it in wiki folder, and then enter your wiki. All right, so we can do one thing here, just save it in your wiki folder, like c XAMPP and htdocs wiki. Here we can save it, local host setting.php, download it. Okay, so we have saved it. Now you can do one thing simple, just go with the documentation. Okay, and then enter your wiki. Simple, we have done with the setup. You can do one thing here. Okay, just right click here, then you can write localhost/wiki. Congratulations, we have installed, enter your wiki. You can also go with there. Okay, you can simply go with there and enter your wiki. Yeah, so here you can see we have successfully installed with Mediawiki as a local server. You can see here Aditya0545 that I used as a username. So just go and log in, and you can write the username that I have already created, and I'm using this one. Yeah, just log in. Alright, there is some password error. Okay, so you can see like right now we have successfully logged also. Okay, logged in our main page. So it is just similar to the MediaWiki page, as you can see here. So let me give a brief idea about this, and let me summarize all those things what we have done. Okay, so starting from here, first of all, install Wikimedia first. Okay, as I have already told you, you can go to the simple MediaWiki website, mediawiki.org, where you can see easily there is a download or install file here. Okay, you can install from here, and then the next step is that install XAMPP, because XAMPP has some packages that contains like Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Okay, I have already told you what is the use of it. Then what we have to do, download MediaWiki vector skin, because we need to add some vector skin inside the wiki folder. Okay, and that wiki folder is inside the htdocs, that will be doing later, as I can show you here. Then we need to download Visual C++, and then Composer. So this all are why we are downloading this all. It will remove all the dependency error. Okay, then for removing the dependency error, first of all you can set up your Composer, like install Composer, and just write the path to your PHP file, as you can see here. And then Composer ignore platform required, you can run this command. Okay, just go navigate to wiki, and then use shift right click there. Okay, and then open PowerShell, open as a PowerShell window, and then run this command Composer I and dash dash ignore platforms required. So it will remove all the dependency error. Then navigate to PHP and open PHP ini file. I'm showing you here. Okay, like you can see we are in our C folder, here XAMPP. Okay, inside the XAMPP there is a htdocs folder. Inside that htdocs I have replaced that one, the Mediawiki installation folder that I have installed. Okay, so I have renamed that first with the name wiki, and then I have moved that folder to inside the htdocs folder, that is inside XAMPP folder. Okay, so here we have successfully moved it. Also add your vector skins here. Okay, just in the skin section you can add vector skin here. Okay, in this page, in this folder files, and then moving to that docs. Okay, navigate to zap like we have done with this command. Okay, then remove all the dependency error. Now navigate to php ini file, simple htdocs and XAMPP. Okay, php, and then here you can see php ini file. I'm showing you all. Yeah, here we have php. Okay, php ini file, just open it. Okay, and then what we have to do here, just click Ctrl F, intl. Now you can see here intl. So at when you will download first, okay, you will see this line will be in a, like it will be commented. Okay, so we have to uncomment it. Why? Because it initialize internationalization function that supports all the date time, international date time, all the things that we have to do for the wiki installation. And then go back it and let me show you. Yeah, now after doing this, navigate to MySQL directory and then bin, so that we can create database. Okay, so we have MySQL also in XAMPP. So simple, you can go on XAMPP folder. Okay, then there will see MySQL bin, and here you can use shift right click and just open it, open PowerShell here. Okay, here we can create our database. All right, like let me show you. ls. Okay, okay, I'm showing you all. Wait, I'm just a minute. Here you can create your database. Okay, and then after for creating database, you can run this following command. Okay, that I have written here. First MySQL uroot, so it will just connect you. Okay, root, then create database wikidb. With the name wikidb, we are creating the database. Then just we need to grant all the permissions. Okay, plus privilege, exit, and then open new tab and search localhost wiki, so that we can set up our wiki there. Okay, do set up database name wikidb, simple, wiki user password, and then you can do all those things. And at that time you are getting some error. Let me show you on this page. Mediawiki installation folder, yeah, here we are getting some sort of error. Now it has fixed. Like why we are getting the error, let me show you. Because permissions were not granted at that time, like you can see in the wiki user section. Okay, like you need to just check all global privilege and all the permissions we have to give at that time, that I haven't given. So just give all the permission. Okay, so that it can access it. Now we have successfully created, as I can show you here. Okay, we are in main page, and in this very simple things is there. Okay, you can do it with your own. That's all. Thank you so much. And let me show you some more things. Just a minute. In wiki folder, you can do one thing. Inside the wiki, yeah, XAMPP, then less htdocs. Okay, cd htdocs ls cd wiki. Okay, here you can see we have successfully installed, and here is local setting php file. Okay, you can see here local setting.php file successfully installed here. Now for checking like whether php has successfully installed or not, you can do one thing. Simply here in XAMPP you can write simple php minus minus version. Okay, you can see we have successfully installed php 8.2.12. Okay, so I have done with all the process. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. Now I'm stopping here.